What's going on there, folks? Good morning, good afternoon. It is the Earthmaster here on this Tuesday, January 24th, 2023. It's about 10:47 a.m. here along the west coast in California, and got a pretty large earthquake and a super deep earthquake at that, coming into the Chile, actually Argentina area once again, 6.1. Now we do see the signature from that earthquake showing up on a couple stations, including Northern California, just a seismograph station picking it up, as well as Yellowstone up there in Wyoming. Now the actual signature over here is going to be showing up on a Chile station, but I just wanted to show you guys what this thing can do to far away stations when we get these super deep earthquakes. There in southern, we're at Petrolia as well. There's the Chile registered earthquake from that 6.1. Now let's go ahead and check out and see a little bit more specifics on it as we venture over to the EMSC. They're still showing a 6, well, looks like it's got upgraded to a 6.2, 611 kilometers deep. Again, that's a really deep earthquake. USGS sticking or upgrading to a 6.4. Even stronger than what the EMSC is reporting. That's a pretty strong earthquake, and again, very deep, a little bit shallower, just by about 10 kilometers, but still 601 kilometers deep into the area of the Peru-Chile Trench. Now, this makes the second deep earthquake here in this area over the last week. We did see a 6.8, and now a 6.4 coming in to the same area. A lot of deep movement going on into the Peru-Chile Trench over the past few days, and that's a good sign to keep an eye on for some surface pressure activity up here, some larger scale movement up at the subduction zone level itself. Of course, the subduction zone extends way underneath this area, but up around where we see some of the larger earthquakes within a certain region. So, and that could include areas anywhere around this subduction zone level. The Peru-Chile Trench is quite large, but most of the time we'll see this pretty much just equal upstream. So we could include areas around Chile potentially for some larger scale activity, but that's a deep one once again. And here on the graph, we'll start to see the S waves coming in. I think we're already seeing that. Initial P wave, though, is going to be this signature right here, and it does show up pretty nicely here on some of those stations: Yellowstone, Dinsmore, and Petrolia station. Let's see here. We'll see them in a little bit. They're more of a wavy line feature that comes through. All right, so 6.4. Let me double check, see if this has been reviewed by a seismologist. It has, and of course it's in a location that does see quite a bit of deep earthquake movement here in the area. But then again, some of the bigger ones, including the biggest earthquake ever recorded, this is up around the subduction zone of the Peru-Chile Trench, further upstream. Again, we'll continue to watch that for some further movement. The Big Island, Hawaii, rocking and rolling as well last night and today as well. Looks like that swarm, a little bitty swarm off the coast of Pahala, indicating right here the movement. And California is still kicking up as well. Got some activity up here around the Cascadia subduction zone. And the rest of the area, we're going to make this a short update. We will be back a little bit later this afternoon with a more complete, in-depth earthquake update. Just wanted to get this 6.2 or 6.4, excuse me, information out here on the channel. Take care, stay safe, and again, there won't be just anyone asking about a tsunami. There won't be any tsunami. It's well under land, or well under the into the Peru-Chile Trench, and a 600-kilometer deep earthquake will not trigger a tsunami. All right, folks, stay safe. We'll catch you guys a little bit later on. Have a good one.